Hey guys, what's up? We're back. Yeah. Running wild and free. You got nothing on me, you got nothing. So, I found a bird. He was like underneath. You see that, like, let me see if I can get it. That brick right there where that green thing is, that's where he was. He's a little hurt. He's shaking. I don't know what to do. Ellie was trying to get to him or her or whatever it is. So I decided to pick him up and get him away from Ellie. And then I put Ellie inside her kennel because she was being crazy. Yeah. So he doesn't want to eat or drink. Well, drink. I didn't give him anything to eat. I don't know what they eat. I don't know if he fell from that birdhouse up there because his wing is damaged. But I want to find a spot to put him where Ellie won't grab him and a hawk won't. Wait, you're a bird. A hawk won't eat you. You're safe. The only thing that's really going to get you is a dog. And Ellie's not out here. What if I put you on the trampoline? Will you be okay with me putting you on the trampoline? I don't know. I honestly don't know what to do. Did I scare you? I'm so sorry. I don't think any vet will help him, and if so, I can't even drive to get a vet. So, and he's just like a bird from a tree, and I highly doubt they'll fix that. I don't know what to do. I'm like the worst person for this situation. Oh my god. What do you eat? I'm gonna go get Cheerios for him and like crunch them up and maybe he'll eat those. So my mom told me to wash my hands because the birds carry diseases and she doesn't want me getting a disease from the bird that I touched. But like, he's injured. And I had to save him from Ellie. I would have felt so bad if Ellie got him. Oh, I'm not allowed to go back out there apparently, but I am because I want to give him Cheerios because I promised him Cheerios, even though he probably doesn't know. Here, are you hungry? I'll give you some Cheerios. You can eat it. You're fine. I'm not gonna hurt you. Do you want some Neosporin? He's shaking. I don't know what to do. He doesn't trust me yet, which I can understand because like I just like met him, but I feel so bad. Like there's nothing I can actually do to help him. And you know what the funny thing was though? I was literally just saying how I don't have anything to go out, like any videos or anything I filmed. And then this pops up. What if I give you water? Do you think? Do you want a bath? Do you like that? You're okay. Have your Cheerios. You don't want Cheerios? There. You can have your Cheerios. Well, I'm going inside. I'm gonna wash my hands again. I'm gonna see what they do. And I'm gonna just check up on him. He is. He's just sad. So we put him here so Ellie couldn't get to him. And he's chilling in here for however long he wants to chill. There's bird seed and all that stuff like that. He doesn't want to sit on this side. He wants to sit on the side where there's no things, which I see why. He's outside the box. I don't really know what he's doing. He's kind of just enjoying life, I guess. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. I'll think of a name for him if he stays around. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.